Happy Monday, 6th graders. We are in week 19. That means we are 2 weeks away from the end of the semester. The end of the semester is not this Friday, but next Friday. So let's see what we need to do this week to prepare ourselves to finish the semester strong. The first thing that you can do is come into Schoology and look at our week 19 folder. You'll see so far we have the PDF of our 6th grade assignments for this week. We have the Ed Puzzle, which is our homework today. You need to do that before class on Wednesday. And we have the evidence jigsaw document that we shared last week that has all the evidence that you might use for your race paragraph, which we will finish in class on Wednesday. Remember, though, part of your homework is to write a first draft of that paragraph. So go ahead and copy and paste from this document into your race writing. Let's take a look at today's work. This week, we have, as I said, 2 weeks until the end of the semester, and that's when grades are permanent. In class, what we are going to do this week is read some more of Wonder. We're back in the Augie narrated section, which is exciting. We will finish that week 18 race writing. And on Friday, we will do some practice with our previous vocabulary and we'll learn a couple of new words. On Monday, that's today, our homework is the Ed Puzzle that is listed for chapters 83 through 84. They're really good chapters. You guys will like them. Also, as I said, please try to write a first draft of your race paragraph. On Wednesday, after class, I will ask you to do one more chapter as an Ed Puzzle. And on Friday, your homework is to finish any vocabulary work that you don't finish in class with us. Very important reminder is that I still need you to be checking on your missing work. To do that, you go to our class in Schoology. You click the Grades tab, which is right underneath Updates, and identify assignments with an orange hexagon or labeled as 0 points. Write down what you are missing on a piece of paper and then put a star next to the assignments that are labeled in the assessment category. That's the category that's at the top. You'll see all the assessments and then all of the classwork homeworks. Assessments like quizzes, the ingenuity quizzes, some of our race writing that I've graded for quality rather than completion, those are worth 65% of your grade because those are being graded for actual content mastery. That's why they're so important. It's not just that you did them, it's that you're showing me that you can do things well. That's where you show me I'm learning the things I need to learn in this class. Classworks and homeworks are important, but they are not going to impact your grade as much as those missing assessments. If you finish any of those, because you should, please email me so that I know to grade them and update your grade in the class. If you have any questions about previous work or about your grade, please email me. But if you only email me the question, what do I need to do to fix my grade? I will send you these instructions first. I need you to know how to help yourself a little bit. That means that you can email me and ask, how do I do this task? Or can you help me in tutoring on this race writing? And the answer is 100% yes, or I can explain it. But I know that you are smart enough and you can follow directions well enough to figure out what you are missing. Ed Puzzle is going to be awesome. It's about 10 minutes, so don't stress. And remember to make up any missing work. And I will see you guys on Wednesday in class. Have a great day. Learn something new.